machines.
La Pynlong ya ka national seminar Halor ka Social Science Research Institution and Development in Northeast India mentakasngi da ka Center for Gender Studies University of Science and Technology Meghalaya lani USTM ha ka jing trailang bat ka Indian Social Science Academy. Kinong ai jing kren ki kenthop ya Professor Sambit Malik IIT Guwahati u Professor Ratna Pratap Singh na ka School of Environmental Sciences u Baba Sahib Bhimrao na ka Ambedkar University bat ka Dr. Sabrina Iqbal Sarkar na Prak Jyotish College Guwahati na lor ki wepan. Ka Dr. Sarkar ha ka jing kren jongka kala ong ba hapo ka feminism bat ka jing pule ya ka jing long shinrang bat kin thai ka met ka don ka benta ka bakong san ha ka jing yathir bakan thop u shinrang upanya ya ka met ka kin thai ringkat kum ka jing nyaw ba ulong kham halor. Hadirin jangka jing penkup kerdan ya kinong yo benta da Professor GD Sharma, Vice Chancellor jangka USTM, bad u Dr. RK Sharma, Advisor USTM, u Professor GD Sharma, ulai jing keren sya kinong ngap bat mat phang halor ka jinglong ya rengkat ha ka liang jangki shinrang bat kenthai na ka benta ka bha ka miat jangka emlang saalang.
Entitled to rest. We are actually glorifying oppression. We are glorifying sacrifice as love. And then when women give up everything, when they have no purpose, they feel that they have no purpose to live because they have, exhausted their service life towards their family, towards their kids, towards the society.